Hi, this is Kent Lau. Now, in the past 2 days, I did a training plus a consultation for my clients, which is in the logistic industry. So, one of the tasks that they need is that they need to turn each worksheet into a new workbook. So, they know how to do the pure table, but uh, they are not aware there's this feature, and that's called show report filters page. So that's customer, and I click OK. And what happened is that it's now generated all the workbooks. See that all is here. So if there's any change, then you just go to refresh and refresh all, and all the pivot table will be refreshed. But then there's questions. I mean, after that, what to do? What do they do with these worksheets for each customer? So the only way that I can know is to ask my client, and they begin to explain to me, and I put it into a guide. So I ask these questions and this one, and they ask answer to me, and then I know that it is that they need to know something like this. So say for example, I have the pet customer, and what I need to do is this here: C drive, test folder. Now just take a look at here. So I have all these questions here and so on. I mean, yeah, I really have this. Okay, let's take a look at here. Yeah. So um, so they do have a job that takes that they need to take, let's say, ABC. So they need to uh, copy this one and into a new workbook. So one way is to copy, move a copy, move it to a new workbook, create a copy, click OK, and here you are. And you have the full. You have to go to File, and you go to Save As, and you want to specify save into the test drive, test folder. Uh, wait, test folder. Okay, and then the file name is ABC. Is it? Let's just put that ABC and save. So is it ABC? Yes, it's ABC. So that's is a way to do that. And now we go and see that the file ABC is right here. Before that is no. And you have to close the file. Okay, and that is the kind of job that is repetitively does every time there's a customer looking for a file. So I devise a solution by the grace of God. It does. For me, people call me I'm talented, I'm gifted, but who give me that gift? Somebody, right? Have to give you something. So I'm gifted by God, the invisible God. And so let me show you what it means. Let's say I have this and I want to turn the AX worksheet here to that file, and I can just click on, let's just watch here. Yeah, so see there's no AX in this folder, so now I just click on it one time. Do you notice that there's a file added? There are. This is AX, and the file is open but it's not closed. Now let's just watch another one. Uh, so let's just delete this. I click this one here, ABC. Okay, now this time the file is saved. And you open this file here, ABC is there, but it's automatic close. If you notice that, see, this is a ABC file, see? Enable editing. And not only that, they cannot be selected. It is disabled. And okay, if you think that is just great, watch this until, God has given me this ability. Let's choose this one here. Let's just choose pad. As you can see here, there's no pad, right? So now I go for ABC version 2. Let's look at that. It's closed. Not only that, the file name is being timestamped, the date and the time. Of course, you ask me that, well, can I just convert it and put it into a PDF file? Well, actually, you can. You go to the, let me just change that view for data, page layout, orientation, landscape, and just okay. So we have done this step, and if you print it out, you can see that okay, that's not really nice. So maybe we're gonna adjust something a bit more, adjusting something. So make sure it's just fit into a page. Alright, almost there. Almost. So this one, just make it into red text. I think that would be great. Okay, you can change that later on. You can change that. Just make sure that before you want to do a PDF, this is what you want, and then now go back to the control page. And for PDF, I don't want to save in the test folder. I want to save it into another folder, and then C drive and the PDF, and you can take a look at this one here. Yeah, so I'm going to delete this, and the time is captured. It's now the time is 5 o'clock 15 minutes, and let's go look at here, and there is no such file. Now I click on the watch this. Is there? It's pad, and the file is right there, and you double click, it is right there. See? So that is Excel macro behind it. And my past clients who engage me, this is what they say. Ken Laos makes the training atmosphere cheerful, relaxed, and easy to learn. He clearly elaborates the VBA function without using too technical words. Ken is energetic and punctual. So, can you see punctual? You can't. Can you see helpful? You can't. You can't touch the helpful. You can't touch all this invisible quality. And where does this invisible quality that we so-called soft skill comes from? Can help us solve problems. The ability to solve problems they're facing, and patience. Where does all this come from? Ken was keen to find a pain point. Where does all this? So I did a training for Swift. So you gotta ask yourself, where is all your good qualities and all your bad quality comes from? You must know where they come from. Then you have to thank or reject. Thanks the good quality, reject the bad qualities. And there you are. I truly trained them while I was still very young. Yeah, naive, a lost sheep. So great. So what is the code behind all these things? Let me let's just give a look here. Right click, assign macro. We can see it's really just surprisingly it is just this. Okay, uh, you have all the path to store, and there's a code to workbook.add, and then you set it, and you copy that particular worksheet and paste it to the new workbook, and apply a patch protecting the new workbook with the new worksheet with the disallow the pure table, and finally save the workbook with a name and close the workbook, and that is what it does with that button. So this is the code. As for the PDF, it will be like this. So the main job is to export the worksheets as the PDF file, and you can select it by using this. And this code is recorded with just recording a macro, and after that change this to this, and also the file name is like here. Okay, so I hope this is useful to you. And yeah, there are many ways to make your life easier, just like my student says that wow, life is so easy now. Well, indeed, and it's become easy because you learn something new. Yeah, and thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia, and all that I have come from God, Jesus. Thank you.